You guys see this big disconnection here? There's a big disconnection in his taper. So we're gonna connect guideline 1 right here into the side length that we have here. And that's gonna be our bulk line. You guys see this big disconnection here? So we're gonna allow him to have a healthy grow out after this cut. We're gonna establish the length in the front first. I'm gonna chop off about maybe like a tiny bit, just slightly above the eyebrow right there. And match that to everything else. So this is what we cut. Comb this whole part that we cut, and we're gonna split this in half right here. Almost in half, maybe like, I like to say 80%. And we're gonna comb all the part. So this is our cutting line. We're gonna use this as a reference to then pull more hair. So we're gonna work one right here and another one right here. And I'm just gonna do it to the other side. We know that we cut that already, right? So then I know I can pull more hair from this side. So we just went ahead and cut a little bit from the right side, a little bit from the left side. And I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do right now and why that makes sense. Once I'm done with that, so we just literally cut one line right here, one line right here, one line right here. So then I can split from the middle of his nose right here. I'm gonna split everything in half. We're gonna get about 3 fingers in the front, and I'm just gonna push all this forward because I want the front part of his slick back to be longer. I'm not gonna touch any of this, the whole fringe area. Now all we're gonna be doing here is just connecting this and just making that bulk line so I can grow in healthy. And it's not gonna be that much, it's just gonna be a little bit from the side. So the first guideline is going to be from here to here. Go up and then move the bulk. My favorite now. We're going to go up and leave a little bit of room towards the top. Next, attaching our half guard, I'm gonna go up about 1 finger. With my softer trimmer, which is a machine that's not gapped, I'm gonna go up a tiny bit and just move that bald line to make it easier on the next step to erase that line. Next, with the lever open like this, and go up midway, stretch the skin a little bit, and I'm gonna attack the midway point of the line right here. I'm gonna close it and gently tap that line right there, the beginning of the line, and slowly start working my way up. At 1.5 guard now, we're gonna repeat almost the same steps. I'm gonna gently start flicking up though. So I'm gonna open it. And gently start closing it little by little. Next thing now, we're gonna start detailing. Using our thinning shears, we're gonna start here. Gently graze up. I'm going with my 5 guard and just flick out to that bulk line right there. There's a close. Two fingers with the 1.5. Same distance now with the 3. 2 fingers. Flicking up. Lever open now with a 1.5. We're going to blend the 1.5 into the 3. Midway. Now with the thinning shears, we're going to blend the half guard now. We're going to go a finger's length above, finger's width. And we're going to open the lever a little bit and start flicking up. Midway. We're blending that half guard lever open into the 1.5 close. Now we got that last line right there, so we're going to erase going from the close to the open position. Gently tapping right here at the beginning. Slightly opening it a little bit. Line up the corners. After I line up the corners, I'm going to detail a little bit more.